So I decided to try out this Ninja for mashed potatoes. I added the butter, the milk, potatoes. I've never used a Ninja. Thinking of adding it to my culinary registry. Hey. Let's see how this works. Put the lid on. Oba. Did I do it right? How do you do this? Maybe in line there. Hold up. Oh, shoot. Oh. Okay, close it. Power. Let's do high. Does that mean it needs more milk? Let's see. Maybe. Grab our milk. Arrows are lined up. Closed. Let's try high. Oh my God. While that's going, let's grab a spoon. I got baked chicken, peas, stuffings, gravy, yeast rolls are rising, and let's grab a spoon. Oh yes. Oh my.
What is that?
Mashed potatoes. Yes. Look how creamy they are. I am so getting a Ninja. You heard it here first. Cooking at Raven Street Dance Studio. Ski.